Good evening everyone, welcome to the first of many videos. We're hoping for the challenge that we've set our students, staff, parents, anyone who wants to join in. We are going to be running, walking, hopping 1900 miles in support and raising money for the NHS. You can do this in any way that you want, obviously observing the safe measures that the government have put in place, so you're 1 hour of exercise per day. However, you can exercise or walk around your garden or your home as much as you want. So if you're someone like me, I'll be doing it from the comfort of my own home here on my treadmill. I've got my iPad set up, ready to go, a little bit of the Avengers on there to be watching. So all the rules for the challenge are obviously walk, run, hop, whatever you need to be doing, but you must record it on an app. Screenshot the picture once you've finished of how far you've done, send it into the page, and then obviously we'll record the amount that you have walked. And like I said, our aim is to get to 1900 miles. Okay, good luck, and here I go. Off we go for the first few steps of the challenge. Wish me luck.